Is Local 44 News at 10.
Good evening. We appreciate you joining us this Wednesday night. I'm Lauren Maloney. Plattsburgh gets it done with little time to spare. The Lake City meets a state-imposed deadline to pass a police reform plan, but not without making some last-second tweaks. Local 44's Mike Hoey joins us live tonight from the newsroom with a look at just what those are. Mike?
Well, Lauren, every municipality in New York with its own police agency has to do this by midnight tomorrow night. If they don't, they lose eligibility for future state funding. After working in law enforcement for 36 years, former Customs and Border Protection Officer Thomas O'Keefe wants to make sure Plattsburgh's police reform plan accounts for implicit bias.
I used to tell my boss all the time, in the time it takes me to blink my eye, I can make a decision that either takes a life or gives my own. I'm just saying, let's make sure. I know I have biases. I have prejudice. I've learned to exercise them over the years.
Plattsburgh's mayor told him Wednesday night not to worry.
It does include implicit bias training and explicit bias training and addressing those, the concerns that you've addressed. So I appreciate, and yeah, even though you did send your comments in after the public comment session ended, we have included them into the public record.
For Americans in a mental health crisis, police are often the first point of contact because crisis services are lacking in much of the country. Many communities have crisis intervention teams in which law enforcement, mental health professionals, and addiction experts work together. Plattsburgh's police reform plan recommends creating one, and a common council member suggested a shared services agreement,
in which all local law enforcement agencies have access to the CIT. Correspondingly, also as a high priority, the city will consult with the Clinton County Mental Health Department on the possibility of developing a county-wide CIT.
I believe certainly that because of the number of law enforcement agencies that do cover the city of Plattsburgh, that this being a shared service would make the most sense.
Before approving the reform plan, the council voted to add the shared services agreement language and other relatively minor alterations Councilor Mike Kelly suggested. And the Plattsburgh plan's other recommendations include adoption of body cameras and more widespread use of community policing. Live in the newsroom tonight, Mike Hoey, Local 44 News.
Mike, for the first time since late